Come with me to a Haitian cooking class. Y'all, me and my girl decided to try something new and pull up to La Perle in Everett, Massachusetts. And I'm really glad we did. But one thing I have to say, I don't know who's been gatekeeping these events, but La Perle has been hosting Haitian cooking classes for the kids, families, and adults for free. Thankfully for me, I ended up going to one of the classes, and executive chef Valerie was leading it. Love her. She was very calm throughout the whole process, intentional, and you could tell she's been doing this for a long time. In fact, she even told us that she's been cooking since she was 8 years old. So definitely stay on the lookout because they will be opening more classes up for the public. And one thing about this event, I just love seeing Haitian-owned restaurants being represented, and the fact that they have classes here for kids and family. I just love seeing the culture and the recipes being passed down from generation to generation. It's really not a lost gift. There's something really beautiful about families coming together, learning, and keeping that part of culture alive. Now, getting into what we are making. We are making Haitian fried chicken drumsticks with a side of plantains and pickles. So you're really just seeing the full process from cleaning the chicken with lime, vinegar, and salt to seasoning everything. We use épices, Maggi, adobo, paprika, black pepper, cloves, more. Like, we really did everything from prep to seasoning to cooking. Also, here's the mayor of Everett stepping out and joining the class with us, just showing his support. So yes, go ahead and check out La Perle. When those classes open back up, you need to be in the room. Now, truly a round of applause for this cooking class.